is for the big girls. So I did a thing. Let's do a try on haul together. This is the first sweater. It's fuzzy. It's so cute. Hold on.
Wait a minute.
It's giving high tea. Let's go get some tea. Wait, it's soft. It's cute. Look at this.
Holy bro.
Okay. And we got another black pant. And we have another fluffy sweater. Okay. Here's a black jean. Do we like? Is it cute? Are we a fan? Okay, the jean is cute. I think I need a bigger size because the length is awkward. Do you see what I see?
Do you see what I see?
You see a motherfucking boss. That's what you
item
see.
on the menu is some sweatpants. I've been on the hunt for a good wide leg sweatpants. Did I find her? We don't know. Oh, she eats. She's tall girl friendly. You can't even see my piggies. The piggies are covered. And there's enough string to tie. Yeah, she's cute. Do you like? I would deem this Old Navy haul a success. Buy my fatty baddies.